Hi, today I have a phenomenal lock for you guys. It's this ABUS with this crazy keyway. You can see it's very similar to ASA T12, but it's unbelievable, and it's very hard to find this kind of this lock. This is ABUS TS5000, and they're CISA branded or CISA. I don't know how to pronounce that, and it's in general a 6 pin lock. But with side pins and passive and active, and it's this keyway. It's very hard to navigate the pick or to move the pick through the lock. And if you can see plus on top this keyway, this key beading, so hopefully you can see it's a very nicely done. It's like a short, long, short, long, 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 and then the last one is pretty short, and in combination with security pins, it's a fantastic one. These are the, as far as I remember, these are the passive ones, or at least maybe this one, the second one, is an active one, and these two are again passive. So we have a couple of rows of pins, and you can see there is, like, for that pin number 5, this is like they cut through the key and the keyway, so it's like, so the pin is going through that, and it's sometimes very hard to go above the pin and just try to push the pin, the pins down because of that keyway. Here's the key from the side, so you can imagine, and it's very rare. I think ABUS are not producing them, and I was lucky enough to get the whole box, and I did cut the Euro cylinder, so it's a top security anti-pick something on this side, TS5000 top security, yeah, and on the other side you can see all the something in German, I think, so ABUS number TS5000, and here you can see the passive and one. This is the active, but I think it's number 2 or this one, I don't remember. And on the outside part of the lock, it's all of them, but on the inside part of the Euro cylinder, it's they are not present, at least not in mine. I will show you later. So yeah, it's really nice to have it, and I'll try to rearrange everything and try to pick this one. So yeah, stay tuned. So I reorganized things a bit and put the lock in the vise. So let's see, the lock is working, and while I'm picking, I will try to use 2 different picks because of that nasty keyway. Oops, sorry. The blue one is 0.6, the red one is 0.4 millimeters, and this is a multi-pick, and the red one is SSDF kit, and I think it's Sparrows, but doesn't matter, you can use any SSDF kit. 0.4 millimeter pick. So yeah, let's start. So number 1 is binding, so I will try to rotate the pick like this and try to after pin number 3 I cannot put the pick above the pins, so I cannot push them down, so that's why I need this 0.4. So now it's pin 4, 5 and 6, nothing. Let's check 1, nothing on 1, probably overset something. So again, pin number 1, now 4 again, click 4, 4 or overset 4, I don't know. Let's see, again overset 4, interesting. Wait, 1, click, 2, 3, nothing, 4, click, 5, 6, nothing. So Let me check 4. I think I set pin number 4. No, dropped. Click from 4, or maybe not. Let's check 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, 5, nothing. Come on. So pin 4 it's making the issues, not I am expecting a lot of back and forth with pin number 6 because it's a short hiding behind, but not, I did not expect for pin number 4 to give me that. Again, pin number 1, maybe not. Yeah, click on 1. So let's see what dropped. Again 4. Ooh. Let's take calm. Why 4? Again 1, 4, 3. Wow. This is fun. 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Click from 4. Now it's 5. 5 and 6. Now I think I'm in the full set. No, again 4. Oh wow. Why 4? How? Oh, I don't know. For some reason, pin 4, it's and it's reachable. It's not like pin number 6 that is not reachable. Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't want to break pick because of pin number 1. And pin number 1, it's acting like a gatekeeper. Now 5 and 6. Now I'm in deep full set. So let me check the pins. So I think now in a position to try to pick pin number 6, that it's giving me hard time because it's a short pin hiding behind the long pin. And so I need to wait for the counter rotation. Yes. Wow, I think I set pin number 6. So not, let me check the interactive pin. Yeah, click for that. And let's see. 1, nothing, 2. Oops, no, still not. I think I'm in the full set. What is, so 1, nothing, 2, 2, nothing. The interactive pin, nothing. 1. Yeah, it's pin 2 or 3. It's giving me counter rotation. And I try to position my pig. Yeah, counter rotation for, I think it's 2. I don't want to drop. I dropped something, but I think I set pin number. So let me check on interactive. Yeah, wow. We are open. Finally, the evil pick. So So now the passive pins, not the interactive one, it's I need to push them up, or it was interactive one. So I can rotate the lock. That pins or the pins, wait, because there are two rows of pins. Yeah, it was that one. Now I'm stuck again. Same thing going there. So let's see which pins are now the interactive one, or come on. Yeah, done. Wow. Finally, the evil one, it's picked. So let me move this over. Let's grab the pinning tree. Oops, sorry. Let's zoom in a bit and let's try to disassemble this one. Even the disassembling can be easy, but assembling this one, it's very, very tricky. But I'm really glad that I picked this one. So finally I was able to disassemble this one. So if you see, all the 6 pins are standard key pins. The drivers, first is the standard one, and this is a drill protection one. And first from 2 to 5 there's spools, and the second one, the last one, it's a barrel like. Very interesting one. Here is the 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4 and 5. They are passive pins. The second one is an active one, and that's very interesting how it's this is like a cap, and this is the spring, and this is the one, and the ball bearing is interacting with this part, and the ball bearings are for rotation, and they are the passive ones for key control. Here's the core drill protection there. So this is the key pins. On this side you can put the passive ones, so the passive are going like this here, and then ball bearing on top. Wait, wrong one, I put it in number 5, sorry. So that's how it's done. But for the interactive one, the interactive one is going here. It was in chamber number 2, and then this part spring, and this one, the cap, is going there, and that on the side it's interacting with this, so that's how it's pushed up and down, depends on the key. So it's very, very tricky, very a lot of interesting ways, and this part is interactive for the, so if you see, so these 4 are interacting with this one in general in this row. So the second one is interactive, the one without the, not drilled, or I don't know how to call it. And on the other side, this is for a key control, and they're the passive ones, only ball bearings. And the rotation, it's preventing all of them, it's preventing to go into the chambers inside. And here's the core. It's like a very interesting shape to accommodate all the all the ball bearings, all the features, everything there. So, and the inside, everything is standard. So yeah, it's a fantastic lock, very nicely done. And I do have the second part already disassembled to show you. This is the internal, external part of the Eurocylinder. This is the internal, and there is no, like, it's a standard without the ball bearings, without the interactive element. So it's very like easier to pick because of that interactive element, this part. But it's more or less very tricky to navigate the Keyway, and it's a, as I mentioned, it's an evil Keyway, and it's yeah, it's a fantastic one. I'm glad that I picked it. I have it in my collection. So yeah, guys, this was the, where's the box? This was the ABUS slash CISA number. Where it is the number of the? It's ABUS TS 5000. Picked and got it. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.